In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox in a table in Notion. This is a helpful skill if you want to keep track of tasks or manage projects efficiently using Notion's versatile workspace. First, you'll want to head over to your connected workspace in Notion. This is where all your wiki, docs, and projects live. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to do that by navigating to the login page. Simply enter your credentials, and you'll find yourself on the Notion home screen. Once you're on the Notion homepage, you'll see all your pages and projects. If you have a specific page in mind where you want to add a table with checkboxes, click on it. This will open up the page, and from here, you can begin to customize it to better suit your needs. Next, you need to ensure that you have a table view, as this is where you're going to add your checkbox column. On your selected page, you can easily add a table view by typing the / key, then the word table, and hit enter. This shortcut should bring up the table view, which is ideal for structuring your data efficiently within Notion. After you've got your table set up, look for the option that says Add Property. This is a critical step because it lets you add various types of data fields or columns to your table, including the one we're interested in today, the checkbox. Clicking on Add Property will open up a menu where you have multiple property options to choose from, such as text, number, and of course, checkbox. Select the checkbox option from the list. Once you do this, a new column will appear in your table with checkbox fields in every row. This allows you to easily mark tasks as complete or manage any list where a simple check or tick is needed to indicate completion or status. And there you have it, a fully functional checkbox column within your table in Notion. This is particularly useful for managing to-do lists or even organizing more complex projects where tracking the completion of different components is essential. By using checkboxes in your Notion table, you can quickly and visually keep track of progress and stay organized with minimal fuss. Remember, practice makes perfect. With these steps, you can experiment and find the most efficient way to incorporate checkboxes into your own Notion workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Be sure to stick around for more tips and tricks on mastering Notion.